Hello everyone, I'm Kaur from Learn English with Kaur and welcome to you all on my channel. So today I have one of my friend whose name is Robert. So today we're gonna have a conversation related to our daily routines. Okay, so let's get started our video. My name is Kaur and I am Robert. So how are you doing today, Robert? I'm doing great, Kaur. What about you? It's been a very productive day so far. So could you tell me what about you? What about your day? I'm feeling fantastic and I'm really excited about today's topic, and I think we are going to have an engaging conversation today. Absolutely, Car. Today we are diving into something that which touches every one of us, our daily routines. We could talk about this topic in a very good way. It's a kind of rhythm that keeps our lives moving forward. Okay? Actually, I think it starts exactly from the moment we wake up and to the moment we sleep at night. Okay, and we follow certain habits that defines our day. But tell me, Robert, what exactly a typical day look like? Could you tell me about that? That's a great question, Car. Daily routines can look very different depending on your lifestyle, but they are made up of the little things, okay? And we do regular things throughout the day. So in today's topic, we'll be sharing our own daily routines from the way we start morning to the how wind down in the evening. That's right, and along the way, we'll talk about how having a routine can help you more balanced or feel more balanced and in control. And it's all about finding what works best for you. Exactly. But before, I would just want to tell you that, guys, I'm gonna talk about some vocabulary words in this video, and I'm gonna use some phrases in this video about which I will talk about in the end of this video. So stay connected and I'll discuss about all of those. Okay, so let's begin with the morning. Let's begin with the morning routine. So as a student, my mornings are pretty structured. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. and I take a moment to the stretch and breathe. And before I get out of bed, it's a gentle way to start the day, and it helps me feel more alert. And then I head to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face, and then I iron my clothes for going outside. Okay, and it's a kind of refreshing start for me. Wow, Car, that sounds nice. I wake up a bit earlier, around 6:30 a.m. since my job requires me to start early. So the first thing I do is I drink a glass of water to hydrate myself. Then I just like you, I brush my teeth and wash my face, and it really sets the tone for the day ahead, okay? Exactly. Hydrating first thing in the morning is such a good habit for everyone. I also have this habit, and after that, I have a light breakfast like toast with butter or oats, like just something simple to get my energy up before the classes. Oh, breakfast is essential for me too. I usually go for eggs with toast, or sometimes I mix it up with a smoothie. And after breakfast, I take a few minutes to check my emails and review my to-do list. So I know what's on the agenda for the day. Oh, that sounds very nice. I do the same thing. I check my class schedule and I make sure that I'm ready for the day ahead. And it's always nice to feel organized before jumping into things. So I would say that absolutely having that calm, organized start to the day really makes a difference. So guys, that's all for our part 1. Now let's take a closer look at some key vocabulary from our conversation, okay? सो गाइज़, मैंने इस कन्वर्सेशन में सबसे पहले एक वर्ड यूज़ करा था जो था स्ट्रेच। तो स्ट्रेच का मीनिंग क्या होता है? स्ट्रेच का मीनिंग कि हम अपनी बॉडी को थोड़ा सा आगे की तरफ कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि हम सुबह सुबह काइंड ऑफ अंगड़ाई जिसको कहते हैं, तो उसको कहते हैं कि हम अपनी बॉडी को स्ट्रेच कर रहे हैं। मतलब वी आर लूजन अप आवर मसल्स, मतलब कि हम उस टाइम पे अपने मसल्स को थोड़ा सा लूज़ कर देते हैं और उनको अप करते हैं, ऊपर की तरफ लेकर जाते हैं मसल्स को। Then Robert said that he started his day with a glass of water. अभी ग्लास ऑफ वाटर को हम इसीलिए लेते हैं ताकि हम अपनी बॉडी को हाइड्रेट रख सकें। ओके, तो दिन की शुरुआत बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से होती है जब हम अपनी बॉडी को हाइड्रेट रखने के लिए एक ग्लास लेते हैं वाटर का। Then he said that he likes to have a light breakfast. अभी लाइट ब्रेकफास्ट का मीनिंग क्या होता है? वो ब्रेकफास्ट या वो मील जो कि बहुत ही स्मॉल, छोटा सा और सिंपल होता है, जो कि हम सुबह के टाइम खाते हैं, उसको ब्रेकफास्ट कहते हैं। लाइक उसमें हम ओट्स खा सकते हैं, टोस्ट ले सकते हैं जिसको हम ब्रेड कह देते हैं बटर के साथ। तो ये क्या होता है कि लाइट सा नाश्ता होता है जो कि हम सुबह के वक्त करते हैं, जिसको हम ब्रेकफास्ट कहते हैं। Then Kaur means I said that I like to have light breakfast for getting my energy up. ओके, तो एनर्जी को अप रखने के लिए, एनर्जी को बनाए रखने के लिए मैं भी लाइट ब्रेकफास्ट लेती हूँ। मतलब सुबह के टाइम मैं लाइट ब्रेकफास्ट ही करती हूँ। Then the next thing, Robert said that he likes to review his to-do list. Now what is the meaning of to-do list? टू-डू लिस्ट एक ऐसी लिस्ट होती है जिसमें हम अपने टास्क जो कि हम पूरे दिन में करने वाले हैं उसमें हम कम्प्लीटली लिख कर रखते हैं, जिससे कि हम या कोई भी जो टू-डू लिस्ट बनाता है या बनाती है अपने डे को ऑर्गेनाइज कर सके और उस तरीके में ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे में रह सके कि कौन सा टास्क उसको कब करना है। ओके, नाउ गाइस, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज़ वीडियो। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई और if you have learned something from this, so please like it and subscribe my channel and share my videos as much as you can, and try to use these vocabulary words and phrases in your daily routine, because by this you are gonna learn English in an interesting way and in an effective way. And yes, I forget one thing, that if you wanna more videos like this, if you wanna have more listening like this, so please subscribe my channel. You must have to subscribe my channel. Okay.